Good evening everyone and welcome back to another YouTube video. I am Rockin' Rabbitohs. This evening, this video is about some news about public transport here in Sydney. So, the Sydney Trains have said that social distancing rules will now apply on trains more than it has been before, like, you know what I mean, but it means that, well, they will make it stricter, yeah, that's right, never mind, because people are sitting next to each other on trains still. But buses are only allowing 12 people on a bus at once. So there's some news about the update to social distancing on public transport. I'm Rockin' Rabbitohs this evening at 6:01 PM.